In this video, I am going to show you how you can delete the page you have on Facebook. The first thing you should do is have the activate session of this page in Facebook. Switching to page. We are going to go to the settings here in 3 lines, and we are going to where it say access control. Access and control here, and we will press and we see that have a panel of this panel say deactivation or delete of the account. And you are going to continue here. It will continue giving you more information. Continue, and finally you enter your password, and this is all. Your page is eliminated, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment us.